Hi, today we're going to make a country crust sourdough bread. First, we're going to start with 3 teaspoons of yeast and 1 1/4 cups of warm water. Then we're going to let that dissolve. Then we're going to add 1 cup of sourdough starter. You can look at my other recipes for this recipe of sourdough starter. Then we're going to put in 2 eggs. Quarter cup of oil. Quarter cup of sugar. And a teaspoon of salt. And 3 cups of flour. And we're going to mix it on low for 3 minutes. Now we're going to add more flour. It takes around 6 to 6 1/2 cups of flour. So we'll just gradually add flour until it forms a nice soft dough. We're going to turn it on to a floured surface, and we are going to knead our dough for about 6 to 8 minutes. And then once it's nice and soft, we're going to place it into our prepared grease pan. And we're going to turn it over once to grease the top. Then we're going to cover and let rest until it doubles in size. Let's say about an hour. Okay, it's been about an hour. As you can see, the dough has doubled in size. I'm just going to lightly flour my surface. And we're going to punch the dough down. Get the air out. And then I'm just going to drop it on my floured surface. And we're going to cut it in half. I'm just going to measure it to try and get 2 even loaves out of this. Oh, it's pretty close. Now that we've got 2 pieces, I'm just going to roll them into a ball so it makes it easier to roll into a loaf. We're going to set them in our greased pans. Cover and let rise for about 45 minutes. Delicious bread, fresh out of the oven.